Kitchen gardening. Day by day, human population is increasing in the world. The resources are decreasing the same way. Food shortage has become an international issue. Pakistan's two-thirds population resides in villages. Especially the third world countries and their population is most affected due to this situation. Out of total population, most of them are associated with agriculture. Still, this food-growing community are deprived of quality food and their children are facing severe food shortfall. Out of 24 districts of Sindh province, 6 districts have complete shortage of clean water. These are called desert or pluvial areas, where if land does not receive downpour for 2 or more years, so these areas face famine and the population faces severe food shortfall. In the light of all these issues, Sindh government with financial cooperation of World Bank has initiated the project which is called Sindh Irrigated Agriculture Productivity Enhancement Project SIAPAP, whose aim is to increase agriculture production in the province and to control water shortage, improve water courses and introduce drip irrigation and to control food shortfall. Kitchen gardening is a subcomponent of drip irrigation system in which a small garden of 20 by 20 square feet in home or adjacent to home can be set up, and through a small drip irrigation system, vegetables can be grown in this garden. This scheme is especially started for landless farmers, poor and worthy ladies to fulfill their financial and nutritional needs. They can support their families, expecting mothers, and their children's nutritional needs can be fulfilled too.
असां पहिरियों ॾाढा ॾुखिया हुआसीं. अधी सिंगार डिंगारी आई असांखे सम्झाईंदी आहे फसल जे हिसाब सां त हीउ ॿिज हिन असां उहो पोखींदा आहियूं, ॿिज पंहिंजा रखंदा आहियूं. लॉकडाउन ई 2003 जी खपाए असां पंहिंजे लॉकडाउन में मर्द घर वेठा हुया, उन्हनि जे ॿारनि जे ख़र्चो पाणी इस्तेमालु घर में कयोसीं.
According to this scheme, different NGOs conduct surveys and then landless farmers and deserving ladies are listed. After complete investigation by SIAPAP monitoring cell, they are provided kitchen gardening kits free of cost. Kitchen gardening kits contains mattock, trowel, bucket, drip pipes and a drum with capacity of almost 200 liters. Additionally, with all this, seeds, fertilizers are also provided for all 3 seasons round the year.
8 महीना असांखे थी वई, डंब बि ॾिना आहिनि, बाल्टियूं ॾिनियूं आहिनि, के ॿिज बि मिलियो आहे, असांखे बाण बि ॾिनो आहे. असांखे हाणे फ़ाइदो जाम थियो आहे. 12 शेर खां बची विया, 200 रुपया भाॼी जा ईअं भरंदा आहियूं, हाणे शेर सां वठी ईंदा आहियूं, हाणे वठी कोन था अचूं.
The specialists and district teams of SIAPAP project keep monitoring them and they provide free advice to the beneficiary about seeds, fertilizers and other issues so that they are well informed about issues of seasons regarding their crops.
पोखियो त तव्हांखे पाणी ॾियण जो तरीक़ो अचणु खपे. जिते पाण पाइप में जिते टोंटी लॻल आहे ॻाढ़े कलर जी, उते ई तव्हांखे ॿूटो पंहिंजो पोखणो आहे, उते ई ॿिज पोखणो आहे. त जीअं ई पाण नलको खोलींदासीं त उनजा 2 फुड़ा सिर्फ़ु पाण खे लॻाइणा आहिनि, 2 फुड़नि खां मथे न हणणो आहे. 2 फुड़नि खां मथे हणंदासीं त पंहिंजो ॿूटो ख़राबु थी वेंदो.
District Tharparkar is a desert district in Sindh which faces famine and food shortage for most of the time. That's why Sindh government has started distributing kitchen gardening kits through SIAPAP from this district, and till now 1500 kits have been distributed in this district. Apart from that, these kitchen gardening kits have been distributed in other districts of Sindh too, and till now 4,700 kits have been distributed among deserving ladies and landless farmers. These kits have been successfully installed and many underprivileged families are benefiting from it. They are not only fulfilling nutrition needs of their own family, in fact, they are earning by selling these vegetables in the market.
असां 3-4 महीना हिते भाॼी खाधी बि हुई, कुझु पाड़े वारनि ॾे बि मोकिली हुई मुफ़्त में। 3-4 हज़ारनि वारी असां बि भाॼी खपाई आहे हितां। इन करे असांखे हिन मां सहूलियत तमामु बहितरीनु पइजी वई आहे।
Through SIAPEP project, 10,100 kits will be distributed in Sindh province. Sindh Irrigated Agriculture Productivity Enhancement Project, SIAPEP, Sindh Seed Corporation Building, Ground Floor, Husainabad, Hyderabad, Sindh. Phone 022 9260 251.